Off to Cape Town. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog, and this one is a packed one because I had to put my whole Cape Town trip into one video. So it's a fun one and I hope you enjoy it. You're just a copycat. That's why you said you wanted cheese today. Just a copycat. In the meantime, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. And just sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the vlog. Cape Town way. Had to change from my heels to sneakers because somebody said I should not wear heels to the airport. How you guys feeling my feet? It was a white heels and a white bag before. Well, gotta be comfy for the airport. Jacket for the coat, jacket for the coat. Off to Cape Town.
Yeah, good morning.
So guys, the journey from Johannesburg to Cape Town is actually a long one, so we weren't about to spend all the time on the road, so we decided to take a flight from Johannesburg to Cape Town, and this is us heading to the airport. So it was a 2 hours 10 minutes flight, and guys, on this particular flight I had the worst ear pain ever. You know that ear pain some people have when they take off? Yeah, I had it on this flight and it was so painful. My ears were ringing. If you've ever experienced this on a flight, let me know in the comment section. After landing in Cape Town, we headed for our hotel, the Holiday Inn Express. Guys, I'm in love with this bathroom. And you can guess why. Mirror. Like. And the bathroom is so good. The toilet is ensuite also. Very cute. Yeah, so time for me to relax and get ready for my next outing. Please ignore the voice in the background. Please. Thank you. So this was our view from the room. We had the famous Table Mountain just outside our window, and it said that you can see this mountain anywhere you are in Cape Town, anywhere. buildings everywhere. Tall buildings. You guys might not know this, but Nigerian food is actually hard to find in South Africa. Like, it was really hard to find. But I didn't sit down.
So African.
Are you sure we're going the right way? I'm doing one vlog. I might post all these things one day. At this point, we were already tired. The map was not mapping. We kept getting lost. Like, this was just roaming about the whole of Cape Town. So we decided to just get a taxi. And this is us trying to locate the taxi and crossing the road. It was really funny, but at the same time, we got to see a lot of Cape Town. This was me asking myself why we didn't just take a taxi all along. Finally. We finally found a place called Afro Delhi.
Huh?
This is their board. Plantain is looking too soft for my liking. Honestly, the food wasn't so great.
Yeah.
Okay, this yogurt. We headed out to the Bo-Kaap Museum, which is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. It was so colorful, so many colorful houses. I feel like the place is just for aesthetics because there were so many tourists taking pictures. It was just so beautiful.
Can we sit here to take pictures?
Seats. So pretty. Pictures are never allowed. So just like we did in Johannesburg, we decided to get on the Cape Town sightseeing bus so we could see more of Cape Town within the limited time that we have. And let me tell you, it was the best decision we could have made because we had really limited time in Cape Town. So obviously we first of all went up the Table Mountain. We went to go and see it, but we didn't climb the Table Mountain. People do activities like skydiving, like so many activities there, but we just looked around and we didn't really go up the mountain. The best part about touring Table Mountain was the view. It was heavenly. As you can see, the view is so heavenly, and we could see the whole landscape of Cape Town from up there. Like, it was just so amazing, and I loved every second of it. So we just stayed there for a few minutes to soak it up, and then we headed back down. So as we were heading down, the tour guide was telling us everything we needed to know, and we were headed for the beach. And you guys, the view was even better. As you can see, the view was just mind-blowing. Opposite the beaches, there were some restaurants, as you can see, and then the beach itself was just glorious and so beautiful, you guys. This video isn't even doing justice to just how beautiful this view was. I mean, look at this. These shoes are nice though. So there's no direct flight from Cape Town International Airport straight to Lagos, so we had to first of all fly back to Johannesburg, and then from Johannesburg fly back to Lagos. So this is us on the way to the Cape Town airport to get to Johannesburg. So we got here on time, way before time, but for some reason our flight was cancelled and we had to start booking another flight. So instead of 8:45, we're flying 8:55. But we made it. We're here. So we're trying to check in. Trying to check in, check in, check in.
Thank you, welcome.
So after touching down Johannesburg Airport or Tambo, we checked in, did everything we had to do, and we still had some time to kill, so we decided to do some duty-free shopping before boarding. Finally on the plane back to Lagos, it was really bittersweet because I really enjoyed my stay in South Africa. Like, it was really fun. So but yeah, it was time to go back. Please, if you enjoyed this vlog, kindly give it a thumbs up before you go and subscribe to my channel. If you watched up to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Back in Nigeria.